Welcome to Instant Quote, our convenient self-quoting tool for CNC machining and digital printing services on polycase enclosures. With over 30 years of experience, we can handle all your project's needs, from complex cutouts to full-color printing. We will save you time and money on your end product. Now let's get started. Step 1. Select your polycase product. Start by selecting the series, then select the product. Step 2. CNC machining. From basic cutouts for cables or buttons to advanced hole types and more. We save you the hassle of sending your enclosure to a third party by fulfilling your machining needs before your enclosure leaves our door, all at a cost-effective price. Begin by selecting the number of surfaces you need machined. Once surfaces are accounted for, tell us how many cutouts or features are needed, and see your pricing update in real time. Step 3. Digital printing. Let's face it, adhesive labels can take hours to place, end up crooked, and never last long. Digital printing eliminates all of that for a long-term solution printed directly onto the enclosure, adding a level of professionalism that labels just can't. Start by choosing the number of surfaces that require printing. Then, for each surface, select how many colors will be used. You can select 1, 2, 3, or full color. Step 4. Save and view your instant quote. From here, you can attach drawings to your quote and add it to your cart for convenient online ordering.
Your custom order has been placed. Now what? Polycase takes it from here, but don't worry, we'll keep you in the loop every step of the way. Our engineers start by reviewing your quote and drawings to ensure we have everything we need to create your custom part number that is unique to your project. We've looked over your quote and drawings, set up your custom part number. Now we need your final approval before we begin production. Final drawings will be uploaded to your account for your approval. Once you give us the thumbs up, we get to work. With drawings approved, we begin production on your customized enclosure. With your enclosure now customized to fit your needs, it'll be out the door in no time and ready to go to work when it arrives. Don't forget, order progress can be monitored within your account from start to finish. You can also reorder or revise your custom enclosure when it's time to restock.